And so then here I am at Lille Hospital. This appears to be one of the oldest and architecturally most nice hospitals I've ever seen that's still in use. All the ones in England are really modern. And I think this is from the 30s. This architecture is really nice. That's a metro train, another Valto 08. Haven't seen any Valto 06s so far. The hospital has very nice architecture. Here is the first lift at the hospital. It goes a very short way, but they've actually bothered getting a proper lift. It is an Otis Gen 2. A full proper Otis Gen 2, but only going a really short distance. Not even on a full floor. Very short. Outside this hospital it looks really nice, but it's been very thoroughly modernised inside. Now to the first lift. These are some Schindler lifts. Really nice indicator of this one for modernisation. It doesn't work. The original indicator works. They've had their buttons replaced, but still with nice Schindler ones, not the stupid generic. I think Schindler Oxon. Neither of the indicators works. Really nice. Nice Schindler lift. And here's the lift. Another nice Schindler. And a taller bit of the hospital. Diseases of the blood. On the 6th and 5th floors. I'm still not near the top. And these at Schindler's are actually a tower added during modernisation. I think the upper floors above here are all service floors. Nice Schindler lift. The upper floors above this are all the service floors with the lift motor room and stuff. The Dewhurst indicator with a custom faceplate. I think this is Schindler modernised by Schindler with some modifications. Afterwards. So that is a modern Schindler nameplate. Above the doors you have these indicators that send it up to a random floor. These indicators, the original indicators. No, not the original ones, but from the modernisation in the 80s. These are, I think, probably maybe 60 Schindlers, modernised by Schindler in the 80s, with some later generic modifications. And here we have an original staircase. This design looks really nice. Now let's go up. Another modernised Schindler. You can go up to 6, which is the service level. The speakers are Schindler logo shaped. A lot of things are Schindler logo shaped, but you can't expect this because this is a Schindler lift. I'm going to go down to the basement, which is RJ. I don't know what it stands for. There's the metro and the train whizzing past in the distance. Oh. These go up to the lift motor room, which has some sort of alarm so you can't get in. There's the metro up there. Let's go back down. That is some sort of, it appears that there's some sort of biohazard and they're propping the door open. That's not very safe. the way this hospital seems, there's a nice chime. The way this hospital seems to feel is kind of like people are used to people like me going around. They think I'm some sort of ghost, like the hospital's haunted. That's what the attitude everyone seems to be having, is that they think that I'm some sort of ghost. Maybe this hospital's haunted and they're used to it. Let's go to the basement. Ground and basement. It calls it -1, it calls RJ. This basement's been renovated, it still feels really spooky, like it's haunted. Here we have a lift going down from the basement. This one goes even further down to -2, which is locked off. So it goes to the sub-basement. The sub-basement. Sub-basement. This section hasn't been renovated, and it's so spooky. This is the south side. They've made some modern addition to the hospital here. It's a beautiful hospital, although they've completely renovated it and nothing of the original interior is left. It looks stylish, but a bit plain for my liking. And here's the car park. It's the staff car parking.